Today our classes chemistry lab chapter 1 structure of the atoms. Structure of the atom. First of all, what's chemistry? What's chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of natural science which study about the composition, the structure, the property of something, the property of metals. Chemistry is the branch of natural science. Natural science which study about what? Study about structure, compositions, and properties of matter. Science classified into science. As we know, science classified into what are they? Social science and natural science. And the natural science with chemistry, biology, physics, maths and ethics include under natural science. And the social science, history, geography, civics and legal education are included under social science. Very good. So chemistry is under the natural science